Italy has a lot of attraction: Colosseum, Tower of Pisa, Pompeii, and much more. Choose one and tell me history of this landmark.
Okay, I will probably choose Pompeii as it is really next to my city. Pompeii, it's nowadays has got the new part and the old part of Pompeii, and of course the old part, the ancient part of this city is what attracts mostly tourism from all around the world. And why? Well, it stands under the Vesuvio, which is the volcano in Naples. And actually, this volcano is active, but it doesn't erupt so much likely. But in 79 after Christ, so during the Roman Empire, Pompeii was a city under the Roman Empire. And during that epoch, the people didn't realize that the volcano was a volcano, but they just thought that it was a mountain, a big mountain. So what happened that suddenly during the night of this year, the volcano erupted, and the people didn't escape as they didn't realize how dangerous it was. So most of them just stayed in the city. Basically, during that night and the next year days, of course, the entire city was just covered by the lava of the volcano, and of course it was a disaster. But from that disaster, born something beautiful, because actually nowadays, after 2 centuries, we are capable of see how the people of that city, so the Romans people in Pompeii, they were conducting their life. Archaeologists found out how they used to live, to cook, how was their lifestyle. And so we can see their houses, how they divided the houses in different rooms, something really that without this disaster we wouldn't of course know. And so it's really interesting, because you can walk in Pompeii streets and it is like you are walking in a city during the Roman Empire. You can see the streets and the images on the walls of the houses. It's really amazing.
Okay, thank you for answer this question, because very interesting, to consume a lot of information from a different country, especially so well known landmark as Pompeii, because I heard about this fact before.